Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today's topic is argan oil as a conditioner for hair styling. Argan oil can moisturize your hair and scalp and protect your hair from everyday damage by reducing breakage and split ends and keeping your scalp healthy. Argan oil may help prevent hair loss for thicker fuller hair. How to use argan oil for hair, leave and conditioner? You can skip your usual conditioner and use argan oil as a leave-in conditioner to reduce breakage from combing and styling. So first of all, what you have to do, wash your hair thoroughly per the directions on the shampoo bottle. Towel dry your hair so that it's not dripping. Rub 2 or 3 drops of the oil into your hands and apply it to your hair. Dry and style your hair as usual. Do this once or twice a week. This will work as a conditioner. You really don't need any other conditioner. How to styling product. Use argan oil as a styling product to smooth your hair and tone down frizz. It can also protect your hair from heat styling. Squeeze 1 or 2 drops of argan oil into your palm and rub your hands together. Light apply to your clean, dry hair without massaging it into the scalp. A light coating on your hair surface is what you want, mashallah. Style as usual. Argan oil hair mask. Making your own argan oil mask is easy. Using pure argan oil will get you the most bang for your buck because you can use it on its own. Combine it with the nourishing ingredients like coconut oil or castor oil. Here's how. Using your hands, massage 8 to 10 drops of argan oil into your hair and scalp. Adjust the amount as needed based on the length of the hair. Continue to massage your hair and scalp for 10 minutes, ensuring your hair is covered from roots to end. Wrap your hair in a towel and hair wrap and leave it on overnight. Wash your hair in the morning and style as usual. Shampoo. You can buy argan oil shampoo, but making your own is easy too. Pour your usual amount of shampoo into the palm of your hand. Add 1 or 2 drops of argan oil to the shampoo and rub your hands together until it's mixed. This will make, inshallah, the shampoo of argan oil. Apply to your hair and wash and rinse as usual. Repeat every 2 or 3 days. I hope this will help you, that this is very helpful for your hair growth and for your hair styling. I hope you like my video. If you like, give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.